everybody, Denny here. Let's head on over to easel and put some body, some roundness to our flower, okay? Let's head on over. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Okay, I've got my purple and I got white, and I'll mix a little bit of white in with it, just to lighten it up a little bit, okay? And there is a very slight difference now in the lay of the paint. You can see it, okay? But I'm not completely losing the dark. I don't want to do that. We need the dark to have the light. That's an old saying. You can't have light without dark. You can't have dark without light. This is just putting body into the painting. Now, I'm going to add just a little more white to that. Okay, just a little more white. And we're going to tap around like this, moving some out here now, see, to give it more form, just like that. This is kind of the fun part. This is where we just get to play and have a good time. Okay, this is how we build this painting and give it its shape. Okay, now I'm going to take just a bit more white and look at her transform. Okay, just smack it down on there like that. See there, looky there. It transforms itself beautifully. Okay, and now all of a sudden, by golly, we've got a group of flowerlets that now have form. Be with me tomorrow. We'll continue on. We'll start making some actual flower forms. Then we'll start thinking about working on leaves, okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the bell icon. Leave comments. We need those. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. By golly, that wasn't too hard, was it? Tomorrow we'll put some blooms in there, I think. Okay, be with me then. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.